topic was coffee ads. That was one of the things I was asked, is making a coffee ad. So let's take a stab at it. All right, so we're going to go in here, and this is going to be a mobile ad. Okay, I'm going to look at the templates. I don't like the templates, but they claim the templates have been getting better, so I'm going to just kind of look through them and see what they have. Yeah, we're gonna build our own. Okay, so I'm gonna set the background to black, and now we're gonna just take a look at what media is available in here. I love that you don't have to click, that you can just mouse over. And it pulled up coffee because that was what I was already searching. What you see here are some other videos that I had already found, and I think I really like the bean. And all I did was search for coffee, and that was one of the options. So now I want to build on top of the bean because it's kind of boring. So we're going to go through here and look and see what they have. Didn't find anything yet. Let's put our words first. So usually setting the words kind of will guide your image selection. And for selling coffee, we want folks to feel like they transform your morning, right? From groggy to alert and vibrant. So I'm gonna have to build on this. Okay, I like that flow. Put a little animation on there. Let me adjust the timing. Let's see. It was a little fast because this is wake up. So you don't want to rush through it. Now, wow, that's really slow, but that depends on how long my video is going to be. I don't know. I don't know how many more things I'm going to put on here. I don't know what else I'm going to do. So let's see. Let's play it. Okay, yeah, no. So that was a second static image I found of just a cup of coffee. And one, we see our words are coming in way too slow. So we're going to speed that up. Let's watch that one more time. So that's going faster. And we're waiting for that second image to fade in. So I wanted the morning to pop at the same time as that picture. And I'm going to have to move this down because we don't want to cover the cup of coffee. I really want it more center. So I'm going to shift that up. Let's see. The picture's just not doing it for me. It needs to be inviting, like I'm offering you this. So I'm going to go back. Let's say coffee house. Ooh, present a cup of coffee. Yes. We're going to add it as a layer on this canvas. If you select the add as a scene, then that's not going to be on the same one. I'll add it, but we want this here. And I think that's going to work a lot better than that cup by itself. Let's just scale this. And then let's rearrange our layers now. I think that looks a lot better. I want that picture to fade in a little slower, not over the whole video at the same spot. Okay, now let's play that and see how that works. Okay. No, that doesn't work. Nope, that definitely doesn't work. I think fade is it. I don't think we have limited options. So, there's other things I would love to do, but with the choices that we have in Adobe Express, the fade is going to be our best choice. So, let's see. But it's kind of boring. We want to bring it to life. We need some elements first. Let's see. Now, this is an ad, so we need to tie it in that it's for a coffee house. So, I'm going to need to pick an icon. And This would be whatever is the icon for the business, but this business doesn't exist. So we're going to use this right now for their icon. And then, of course, we have to give it a name. What should we call it? Coffee something. Here we go. This will work. Joe's Bean Shack. Love it. Okay. So now we're going to stack that. Where? I want to get the sizing. Let's get this in the right place. I don't know. Let's see. And I'm adjusting it so I can see how the icon looks from the beginning. Okay, that works for me. I like that. Now, but it's still missing something that's way too long. Okay. Now that we have a new image, we're going to have to adjust the timing of everything to make sure that it all flows together. Okay. And since I can't really do much with his image, I have to find a way to bring the coffee to life. And what I did was I grabbed smoke um, and I screened the layer of smoke. And let's see what it does. There you go. And now you've got a hot steaming cup of coffee that we will tweak just a little bit. And that's it. You guys can totally play around with this, perfect it, but you really should get in there and mess around with it and have some fun. This whole thing took 10 minutes to make. Um, if you want to see the full video, you can watch it. Click the link below because it's tagged. All right, guys, have a great day.